In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Apple Maps data on iPhone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Apple Maps and into the app, and then click on to your emoji or your face or whatever down here at the bottom right. All right, and then from here, you're going to want to click on offline maps. And I don't have any, but if you have any, delete those because those take up your space. And once you have those deleted, then you can close this out. And then you're going to want to go down to, click out of there and go to your settings, iPhone storage. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you find maps. All right. And then I'm not going to do this because I don't want to offload the app, but you can offload the app and then download it back again. They'll give you a chance to, like after you offload it, then they'll give you a prompt to download it back. So download the app back, and then you should be able to clear all the app space that's on there, and resulting in clearing the data off of your Apple Maps. So there you have it. Any questions that you have, comment below. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.